Okay, I want you to watch what happens when I type this. County. It started about this point. Watch the letterhead as I continue to type. It's moving down, so this, if this happens to you, be aware of it. Don't panic, just be aware of it. Now I took it out of the screen to have to scooch this guy up. Okay. This goes up. I want you to see what happens. See what's happening? Okay. I don't know why it does this, but when I meet with the people, I'll let them know. Okay, so just keep going, and after you type it, we'll see what happens. See, it keeps coming down. So I'll check my work at this point, and it tells me I have 2 mischaracters. So I go and find it. Okay. Add one. And where else? Oh, again, that enter. I don't do that, but this paragraph break. Let's see. Oh, forgot a letter here. See, at this point, I would have ran spell check, but in the SAM program, it doesn't allow you to do that. So just be aware of it. Go and make your edits, and then we'll see what happens after this. Okay?